Monday, a new three-part version of H.G. Wells' sci-fi classic The War of the Worlds lands on BBC One.
You think it could be from Mars?
Something can erupt from Mars and end up in Surrey.
The famous sci-fi novel was written while Wells was living in Woking. Most of the early action takes place in the town and nearby villages. BBC News, it's 7 now with an update on the weather. Here's Elizabeth Rizzini.
There's a Met Office weather warning out for heavy rain that's valid for the rest of the day today. It's been raining all night. There's plenty of surface water on the roads and the pavements there is this morning's rush hour, but most of that rain band has now pushed its way northwards, leaving us a bit drier for the rest of the day, but still some outbreaks of light patchy rain and drizzle to come this morning, and there could be some hefty showers through the afternoon as well, maybe. Also some brighter spells here and there. Top temperatures only between 5 and 7 degrees Celsius, so feeling chilly today, but at least the winds are fairly light. The winds will pick up overnight tonight, some showers at times, particularly into tomorrow morning. Overnight lows between 3 and 4 degrees. A full 10-day forecast on the website bbc.co.uk/Surrey.
Thank you, it's 7:05. BBC Surrey. Travel controls. So a lot of rain overnight, making driving conditions tricky in places. Aaron has the details.
Good morning. If you're travelling clockwise, M25 traffic has been temporarily held. That was all because of an accident at junction 11 whilst they sort that out for Chertsey.
Oh, great, don't you?
Back before junction 10 to the A3 now, so travel time is 20 to 25 minutes. So traffic being temporarily held clockwise at junction 11 because of that accident. It's causing a queue just before junction 10. Anti-clockwise though seems to be going okay on the cameras. Now through Surrey on 10, the A46 westbound still remain closed. Dixon Sticker is a flooding down towards the M3, and also Liverpool Road, what a queue now towards the A3. St Peter's Way through Chertsey busy, as is traffic through Bagshot. The 6-7 minute queue down towards the M3, and picking up into the other now the A3 northbound, 5 to 6 minute queue heading out from the A3 on the Hunchback, and also busy now from Old Rushes on Leatherhead Road, very slow there towards Fair Road Lane. M23 though, that's not looking too bad on the cameras. If you're travelling onto southern trains, they're not stopping London bound at Otley, that's because of flooding. The advice is to board a train at Horsham and then swap onto the London bound service. I'm Aaron Phillips, BBC Surrey Travel.
For Surrey and North East Hampshire,
This is BBC Surrey.
with Mark Carter and Leslie McCabe.